Yep, that's right. I'm being dominated. What's going on, guys? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to another weekend in the lawn. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about something a little different. You guys know that the videos I've been putting out for the past month and a half have really been nothing but project lawns. You guys know that's one of the things I've been doing this lawn season to add a little more variety to the channel. Well, today I want to talk about something that doesn't only concern my Next Step liquid lawn care program, but also concerns really any lawn that I'm treating with nothing but Liquid Next products. So real quick, I want to go ahead and talk about the plan itself. Basically what that plan is designed for is a typical Midwestern year. So to be more specific with that, it's a very rainy, cold spring and fall, interrupted by a hot and dry gap in the summertime. This year has been really different, being that all that cool and wet weather we've been getting has actually been persisting a little longer than it normally does. We're about halfway through the month of June now, and it's still raining and the temperatures are as low as 70 degrees. Now that's very nice for a northern lawn, but because we've been getting those cool temperatures, it's really going to change the way that I go about caring for this lawn going forward to keep it green and vigorous and really to get it better than it is. In fact, I was actually texting with the CEO of Greene County Fertilizer this morning, John Perry, and he told me that he was watching the playlist and some of the things I've done to this lawn, and he told me some things I should have done coming into the season, as well as a couple of revisions I should make to my plan going on with the rest of the season because of this unusually cool wet period that we're having here in the month of June and possibly going on throughout the summer. Let me go ahead and talk about that real quick. So what I've done coming into the spring, as you guys know, is I've hit this lawn with 2 applications of the 1801 Green Punch, and I did that at 16 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Those of you guys who are smart, that'll give us about a 1/4 pound of nitrogen with each application. So the total ½ pound of nitrogen so far this season. Now, I'm sure you guys can see the problem. Is there anything wrong with running the Green Punch that low? And the answer is no. In fact, that application rate is fine. Look at the lawn right now. It's looking nice and dark. But because it's been raining all the time, all of that nitrogen I've been putting down, which is a good 1/4 pound, is being washed away. Because one thing Mr. Perry told me is that I have 2 conflicting climates happening at once. To be more specific with that, it's very cold, which makes the nitrogen stable, and it's very rainy, which makes the nitrogen mobile, which means that that nitrogen is more likely to be flushed out than actually taken up by the plant. What I should have done coming into the season is I should have put down the Green Punch at a little bit higher rate for the past 2 monthly applications I've been doing. To be more specific with that, John recommended that I apply as high as 21 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And again, those of you guys who are smart, that'll provide us about that much nitrogen right there in a single application. Yep, that's right. I'm being dominated. What am I going to do to revise my plan going forward according to the different weather cycle that we've been having this season? Instead of dropping the 1801 Green Punch like I recommended in the plan, I'm going to continue using it monthly for as long as the temperatures remain below 80 degrees. And again, to be more specific with application rates, I'm going to be applying the product at 21 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Before having that conversation with John, I actually took it upon myself to put down a 3rd application of Green Punch for the season. Now, again, this is before I talked to him, before I obtained some more of his knowledge. I only put it down at the low rate of 16 ounces per 1,000. So if you guys have done that, what does that mean for you? If you put down 16 ounces, do you put down an additional 5 to get to the 21? What do you do going forward? After speaking with John, what he recommended I do is put down an additional 8 ounces to make sure that I get everything square. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to get down my application today, which is going to be an additional 8 ounces to complement that 16 ounces that I've already put down about 4 days prior. Now, again, those of you guys that haven't put down any green punch yet, I recommend that you do so. Put it down at 21 ounces per thousand. As far as what to do going forward, again, it varies depending on your weather pattern, but if cool, wet, and rainy temperatures continue to persist, then that high rate of 21 ounces per thousand is going to be the best monthly rate for the product to make sure that you're utilizing as much as possible to fight against the weather. Alright, so here we are the morning after I did our night spray. So what I want to do real quick is I want to show you guys the results and see what we got just overnight. Here's the front lawn here. You can see looking pretty good. You can kind of see that the lawn, while it looks a little darker, it still has that brownish color to it from the liquid I sprayed last night, the 1801 Green Punch. But if you're seeing that in your lawn, nothing to worry about. Give it a week's time. It'll gradually start to go away and you'll start to notice the drastically darker color. Then we could also come over here and look too. Looking really nice over here. You guys even saw in the video before the application, this area was doing really well. And you could just see, looking good. Beautiful. Okay, now one more thing I want to do before I sign off, and that is I want to announce the winner of the Soil Savvy test kit giveaway that I've been hosting now on the channel for about a couple of weeks. And I am proud to announce that the winner of that giveaway is going to be JKeathly. Congratulations, you are the winner of the Soil Savvy test kit. Now, as far as what you have to do, look out for a reply to your comment on that video I did initiating the giveaway. I'm going to reply to you with my email. I want you to use that email, send me your information, and then we'll get this test kit sent out to you as soon as possible. Now, I will have to say, Jay, if you don't reply to me in the next week, I'm going to have to reconsider the winner. So make sure you get back to me as soon as you can before the end of the week, and I will get the test kit shipped out to you. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Congratulations, Jay. I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, you're gonna be dominated, bro. See you later.